This is my cat, Covey. All he does is sleep and snore. Today he's upside down with his big feet and his little pads, his little beans. He's a little lion. Stroke his little chin and his big whiskers. He's had a hard day rolling